That breaking news right now, Carroll County, where there's a pretty big fire burning there.
Yeah, Captain Roy Taylor and Sky Team 11 join us live once again. Captain Roy, I mean, this entire, what is this, machine is completely engulfed.
Yes, it's completely destroyed. This is Hoods Mill Road, right near Old Washington Road in Carroll County at the Howard County line, where we could see the thick black smoke from downtown Baltimore. It is a combine that's fully destroyed by fire. There's a little bit of a brush fire that's ongoing from this. Winds are obviously hampering the issue here. We're still trying to get more on this, but we can tell you right now there are no injuries in reference to this. As we get more, we'll update you reporting live in Sky Team 11. I'm Captain Roy Taylor.